Okay, I cracked all the, or almost all the bolts loose on the transmission pan, and I'm letting it drain into this great big clear plastic thing. I'm catching almost all of it. It leaked in a few spots there, but drain all the fluid out next, and I'll get back with you. Okay, I just want to say something real quick. If you guys ain't got one of these and you do a lot of work on stuff, well, my phone is ringing, but these are extremely handy. They save you a lot of time, and it's got a little light on it too. It's an electric ratchet, so get you one. This is Cobalt brand. I bought it from Lowe's, and I'm a handyman, so I use the shit out of my tools. So it's been good to me. Now, before I go too much further, I want to get some tension on that engine. There's a little hook on each side of the engine. And then there's one over here. But if you don't have some sort of tension to hang it from above, like I do, then you're going to need a jack or a cherry jack underneath it with some blocks, or a cherry picker or something to keep some tension on this thing when you take the motor mounts and transmission mounts loose. So that's all I got for right now. Okay, I've already cracked these transmission mount bolts loose, and I know they're kind of hard to see, but I'm going to go ahead and take them out. There's one. Oh, come on. Okay, you son of a gun. Okay. There's another one. Okay. And there's the third one. Okay, those are out. I'll be back. Alrighty, we're underneath. There are 4 lower transmission bolts that bolt the transmission to the engine. There's 2 of them. There's the other 2. And this one up here is for the starter. You're going to have to take it out also. There should be another bolt on the top side of that starter. But just go ahead and just start disconnecting it. But this bolt right here actually goes to the mount. It's actually a mount for the engine and the transmission together, which is welded to the subframe. So go ahead and just get these bolts loose after you get some tension on there on the engine, and I'll be back. Okay, I forgot to mention this. This motor engine mount, yes, it has the thing down here, the bolt that goes through there. It goes through there. I forgot that it had this top one, and I wondered why I couldn't get the son of a bitch out. So that's on top. That's a little difficult to get to, not terrible, but yeah, it pretty much just fell right out as soon as I took that bolt out. So there you go. I'll be back. Okay, just so you know, that's the ground to your entire vehicle, and it has some other grounds on there too. That's a stud bolt that's mounted into the transmission. It has to come out. So there's a 15 millimeter nut that holds all the ground wires and shit on there, and that other bolt behind it is an 18 millimeter. So I was just letting you know. Oh, and unplug the front harness for your transmission there.